February 26th. Fiance is not feeling good at all. She might have the flu or something. I happened to take today off because I thought maybe my dad would stay an extra day to help me pack, but he didn't. So I'm off from work, and I'm going to do what any good man does for his woman and be there for her while she needs me, because she's not feeling good. So let's get over to her house. It's a beautiful drive and all, going over to her house. I mean, I have like almost no traffic till I get about right here, which not even really that much, but this is the first place in an hour and a half of driving that I can even stop for any kind of food. So, I just wanted to show this. A lot of people talk about the Camaro having bad visibility or whatever and complain, but the only thing I find funny with these windows is drive-throughs. See if I can. Alright, thank you. See how it barely fits through the window?
Donna.
Good morning, Tuesday, February 27th. Stopping here at this truck stop. Fill up my coffee, so I have coffee for the day. Oh, what love does for you. Normally I stop at that truck stop and I fill up my big thermos with coffee for work, and then I go over there to the McDonald's and get a meal with the coffee, and I use that to fill up my my smaller thermos. But McDonald's now, this is twice that McDonald's been closed this early in the morning. So the guy at the Love's recommended Subway, the steak, egg, and cheese on a flatbread. Not very good. I don't like it. Not very hot. I mean, the eggs are already pre-cooked. The guy's already got them in a thing, in a tub, and then they just stick it in the normal toaster oven like they would do like they would toast your bread for a sub. So, Subway, steak, egg, and cheese, flatbread. Well, it's 4:50 in the morning. I still got another hour and 10 minutes to get to work. So, this is what happens when I go spend the night and see my beautiful woman. I'm going to be up at about 3:30, 3:40. Because I got a 2-hour drive to work. So, it's worth it. theory is, one of the problems when you move is that you probably end up packing something that you're going to need. And I went to charge my Hero 5, and I don't have a USB-C. So now I have to get some kind of charger. Dual battery charger, Hero 5 black battery, and USB-C. Looks like a winner. Well, there it is. The Camaro's inflating, and I gotta be honest with you, man. I am getting so tired of bending down there and zipping these things up. So I seriously got to consider about what I'm going to do with these cars. More on that later. I'm going to do some thinking, but I'm getting tired of... I mean, the car capsules are great. Don't get me wrong. My back's just not into bending down and walking around a car and unzipping it anymore. Here's my new little GoPro charger. It comes with one battery right there for the Hero 5. And then here's the one out of this camera. So, and it came with the USB. I kept one of my DJI drone chargers out, so that way I would have something with USB ports to charge. So there we go. Now I have double batteries for the Hero 5. And should be able to do some good time lapse. At least for for now, until ever I get unpacked and find out where I did with all my other cables. That is what it is. It's part of moving. So that there is a problem. I lost my dog yesterday. He got out of that hole. We had some strong winds that I guess took this section of fence out. You can see kind of how rotted that was, but anyhow, I gotta run to the fiance's house. She actually made a surprise visit yesterday. Sorry, they're cutting the grass, but she made a surprise visit to me yesterday, and we went out to eat, and I wanted to videotape it, and I left the camera at home. Yeah, the surprise kind of threw me off, but so sorry about that. I missed that. But then I came home, went to let the dog in. I can't find him, and then I found this hole. Luckily, his rabies tag came back to the vet. I called the vet. Somebody had found him, and I got him returned, so he's home. But I need to run to her place, but I got to secure that hole before I go. All right, screwed this particle board there, and just for privacy purposes, screwed those two broken boards in. I think that should hold until I can get home tomorrow and replace it. But I seriously think I might have to replace about half this fence. Oh, man, you know, if it's not one thing, it's another. So, for this weekend's visit to go see my lovely fiance, we chose the Chevy SS puppy. Yes, I took the dog, but you know, she's on a towel, but I'm not going to let her scratch these seats. Anyway, man, long day. I just really want to take a nap or something, but I got to get down there. Her vehicle's acting up. So we got to try to figure out what's going on and get that fixed. Because, man, I got a house to pack. I might be closing earlier than expected. Talked to the lady dealing the mortgage. She's like, man, we're on track. We might be closing early. So now I'm like really freaking out because I got to get everything out of my house. I got to get that thing on the market. I can't float two houses for too long, you know. But anyways, man, got a bit of a drive. So next stop is go see what's wrong with this old Buick. Good Saturday, March the 3rd. Going over here to Lowe's real quick. My fiance's daughter left the storm door open. Several vlogs ago, you saw her install it, and it bent the hydraulic shock that closes it. and it's been hitting the door. So while she's at work, I'm gonna get that fixed. The Buick's in need of some major fix. It's got a bad solenoid for the 1-2 shift, which is first second gear, and that being a sideways mount transmission, the valve body is on the side, like against the strut tower, which means you pretty much have to drop it out of the bottom to get it fixed. So with the move and stuff, we're just going to take it somewhere to get it fixed, but that's what's up with that. Beautiful car, isn't it? That's right, L to the W here, eating a quarter pounder at McDonald's at midnight. Just got done washing the car. I want to take it out, get it a little dried off before I store it. So anyways, I'm wrapping up the vlog here. Man, thank you guys for letting me share my life and everything with you for the past little bit over a year that I've been doing this. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. YouTube's hurting a small channel, so definitely trying to get over that 1,000 mark, and everybody that jumps in helps. Still getting a lot of new subscribers. Definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. So yeah, in the middle of the move, it's hard to do a lot of good stuff, but hopefully soon we get settled down, and then I can get out and about and be more part of the car community where I'm at, and we'll get some good stuff filmed for you. So thank you everybody for hanging in there. I'm trying to do the best I can with the little bit of time that I have, trying to pack and get everything. I mean, it's a lot, buying a house and selling and moving all at the same time. Trying to eat a burger and film a YouTube video. So been trying to put a lot more of the car action in there, so keep you guys interested in vehicles. So anyway, I got a lot of great things in my mind for what I want to do with the channel once we get settled. So hit that subscribe button, like the video if you like my cars, it means a lot, and stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.